Good evening, all of you. Today we all are gathered here to play debate, and we are debating on the which country is better, India or other countries. Okay, according to me, India is always better than other countries.
Yes.
Because do you know that if you are living in India, if we are as a citizen of India, so we must choose the India, and in our India, many kinds of that means India isn't. Everyone know that India isn't developing. Okay, but many kinds of facilities is there which is not in other countries. And we can say about the culture of India, the foreigner peoples also like to Indian culture, right or not? That means some days ago also we discussed about the forts of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, right? That means that foreigner peoples also like to forts of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. It's a very proudly moment for us. But only India, only backward in the education system actually. If we want to get the proper education, no, so we must choose the education of the other countries. We must go to other countries for taking the education, because the education system of other countries, it's very different than India actually, right? And it's always based, many students always goes for out of to take education. Why? Because they're not getting the proper education in our India which they want. Okay, now if we can take an example of the MBBS students, MBBS, doctor, MBBS students. Okay, that means mostly students always out of for taking the degree of MBBS. Why? Because in India they're not getting the proper MBBS course in their life. If you will ask to some students, no, where shall I do MBBS? They will. That means many teachers also and many people also suggest. They will suggest us. You should choose Russia, otherwise Canada, that all things. That means only India is backward in education system actually. That means day by day, also that means day by day in education system also India is improving more much, but still the journey of India is in developing, right? So I think according to me, other countries also very good actually, and the India is always good. India is also good. Okay, so let me know the opinion of everyone one by one. First of all, I would like to take opinion from the Harshit. So what do you think on the India? Because I think you all are from the India, right?
Yes.
And you all are from the other countries. Just please.
India have a rich culture, and other countries do not have culture.
Culture. Okay.
And in India, there are many religions, and other countries only have one religion or two, more than two religions.
Religions.
And uh, in India, there are many adventurous places in Himachal Pradesh and other. This is my opinion.
Okay, that means Arshid want to tell that about the culture,
Yes.
right? In our India, rich culture is there, and in other countries there is no any role of culture.
Yes.
That's you want to tell, no? Okay. Yes, Vaishnavi, what do you think about the Arshid points? No, no.
You think that India's culture is better than other countries, but do you know about the China's culture? The culture of China is more interesting than the Indian culture, because in Indian culture there are just fights and fights. In
You know the meaning of culture?
culture means the what we call that festivals and all we
And
celebrate.
in India,
Let me complete my point. In Indian festivals and culture, the people just celebrated with their people of caste. They don't want to uh,
involve.
celebrate it with other caste people. This is the most worst thing in India, that the lots of people just ignore the other caste or the low, yeah, the lower caste, caste peoples. What do you think about it? But in other countries there are just one or two religions, as you said, but they don't behave that this is of these people are the of the low caste and all. They don't behave like this with each other.
In China, there is no religions. No,
Yeah, there are
no, there is
two to
no religion. There are all are the same religions.
which
I do not know. I do not know about China. I know about
So
India. There are many
how
religions
can you
like.
defend India if you don't know about the other countries?
Say me which religion in China?
Buddhist, Christian, and that Jain Dharma is also there a bit of.
Okay, in
Yeah,
China, there is a
yeah,
Buddhist also there, and
yeah,
Jain peoples also there.
yeah.
Okay,
Means they are not called as proper Jain, but they follow the that Vardhaman god.
okay,
Yeah,
Chinese people.
yeah. Some Chinese people.
And actually, she just want to tell like that. Actually, suppose if in India, if people want to celebrate the any festival, okay, that means they will not think about the lower caste people. That means one kind of partiality is there in India. What do you think about it? That's you want to tell, no?
You see, and you go in China and you see the. Have you gone in China and you see that the China's people is doing partiality?
I haven't, but I have seen on the internet and all.
Internet is only the fake news.
Fake also can be there.
Fake, yes.
Oh
In you search on in YouTube or Google, there are
no, ChatGPT.
also Chat GPT. There are also good things of India and bad thing also. In
In India, right? So
yes,
you admit that India is also bad.
means there is internet only say that this is good also and bad also. They are not say this is only good, not bad.
That means he's just telling that if you will search on the internet, right? So you will get the bad things of India also and China as well as also. That means good thing also you will get about India and bad thing also you will get. That's the same condition with China also. That's you want to tell, right? Okay, yes. Keep continuing.
There is no any means
We
there is
are
no.
not talking about just China. There are lots of countries.
Yeah,
Other countries,
in
other
other countries there is no festivals like India. There is Diwali. Many festivals in India. Above 20 festivals in India.
What do you think? What is the benefit of festivals in India?
Because in India there is very friendly environment.
Oh,
Yes.
but in other countries there is also friendly environment. How can you say in other
You
countries
see
there
the
is
other
not?
country.
No, I haven't because I don't have that much money.
Then how uh, this time you are in India.
Yeah.
Then means you are a terrorist.
I'm an Indian because my mother and my father give me birth on the earth of India.
Actually, she is as an Indian, okay.
Yeah.
But I don't like
But
India that
Yes,
much as the other
she like
countries.
other countries, not
Yeah.
to India. Like that, therefore she talking.
I
about
have to
India.
live here because I don't have money to go to other countries.
okay.
Understood? Okay, yes, give me. Yes, you both are correct actually. India as well as and other countries also good. Okay. Next, I would like to take opinion from the yes, Ritesh. What do you think from about India?
I think India is better than other country because in India there are so many cultural things are there, and also India call as cultural country. And do you know that in India, no means so many places are there means foreigners came to see that. They also like history of India, and means NASA or all countries scientists, their research also get fail on Indian culture. Means like Indian forts are there and Indian temples are there, Balaji temple, so many things are there about India, which scientists also can't research on it. So, sister, what's your opinion on that?
Yes, Akansha, opposed to him.
Please repeat your point. I didn't listen.
No, he only tell about the culture of India
Yes.
and about the temples and that all things.
You said that India's culture is very good. Uh, you know that in India, one thing is happened uh, about small girl, 4 years girl. in India's culture, it's not suitable, and in India's culture there is respect of uh, every woman and girls. So this is the respect of Indians people, no?
Uh,
They kill to a small girl. This is the respect
okay.
of.
Okay, you want to say that in India only this is happening, but do you know that in other countries it is also happen like this?
No, brother.
Yes.
Please tell me one incidence of.
Yes, in England, one girl was there, means two girl was there, and they had killed by one boy.
I didn't.
Yes, this happens, but the culprit gets his punishment earlier than India. The
Yes,
India
in
law
India
is
also,
too.
in India also.
How
How
When-
many?
is that
in
is that
in
person
Uttar
is
Pradesh,
he,
if any boy is doing like this, then that Yogi Baba, they directly take JCB and take their properties, houses, and also encounter their family.
you are just talking about the specific what we call that, yeah, state, but
it should be happen for the
in whole India,
like that you want to tell.
yeah,
Okay.
is that
And now also it is happen nearby Chalisgaon. You know that.
What? No, I don't know.
You should know.
you live
Ah,
in
you
India.
are-
You
It is-
know what you can
Nine,
do in the country.
9 years, 9 years, girl, anyone kidnap her
In Charlie.
from school, nearby Chalisgaon.
Okay.
One
just-
village is
You
there.
are talking about girls, safety of girls, no? Means about other thing also. India is very.
I want to say
certain-
that India's girls and women, they are not safe.
They are safe.
How how can you say that? Prove it.
What?
Prove it. How we are safe in India?
Yes.
Give me mic. Actually, you are telling that no, the Indian women and Indian ladies are safe. Huh? They just asking you how the ladies are safe because from the many days we are watching that many kinds of incidents is going in our India as well as Maharashtra, right or not?
So it is only means. Do you know that Narendra Modi also PM of India? They also give the rule to Maharashtra. Means we say that Kaida.
What is the use of that kaida?
Okay.
What is the use of that rule?
Immediately this, if any case is happening like this, then immediately the punishment should be given to him, but the minister of Maharashtra state, Devendra Fadnavis, I think so. Yes,
Pardon.
he is not giving the.
Punishment.
Yes, he is not giving punishment to them. Then it is problem of only one boy, means only one man. Because of him, we can't say that all India is bad.
Okay, so what about the case happened in just camp? We don't
Where?
need to go far away. Just in camp, the owner of a medical, I don't know the name of that medical. He just abused a 13-year-old girl, and after just that Dongrai case, just 3 days were passed away before that incident.
Okay.
What do you think about it?
Though then
Yes.
it is.
Did something happen with that man?
Yes, you totally correct. You just want to tell that means in India that kind of things is going right. But Narendra Modi already permission to every government of the state actually, who actually has a head of state. Narendra Modi permitted them whatever you want to do, you can do. But if the government not taking action on them, so there is no any role of whole India. We can't blame directly on the India, right or not?
So it
Like
is the
that you want
problem
to
of that ministers and all. What is the
Okay.
what we call mistake of the every girl in India? They
Yeah,
also,
you
we
correct. There
also
is
feel
no any
uncomfortable
mistake.
everywhere.
Okay, that means you want to tell that in India the lady and the women are not safe.
Not safe. And
Okay.
brother, wait.
Okay. Yes.
Do you know when Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was there, that time every woman and every girl get respect.
Yes. Then
But
they are the Indian,
now,
no.
but now in India there is no any
Then
respect of
in now,
girls and
no
women.
any like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj person is remain.
So it's the mistake
Of Indians people, no.
No, it is
Because
not.
nobody
Means
is
all are praying to government. They should give punishment to criminals. Then it is the problem of government,
So it is the Indian government, na?
not India.
This is the
The
this
main
is the
main
Indian
government of
mentality.
India. He given the rules to India. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Yes.
But so they are not following that rule. So it is the
No.
Indian mentality. In other
What's
countries,
India?
that person
How
is
it is
killed on the
Indian
spot.
mentality? How it
They
is
just-
mental?
they
It
just
is
kill
only
that
mentality
person on
of
the
only one
spot.
man, and we can't blame on India from one man.
Okay. Yes, let's take the opinion from others also. The many students is there. Let them chance also. Now we will take opinion from the Kunal.
Yes.
Yes, you are from other countries. Huh? Yes, keep
Yes.
going.
I
Give
think
me mic. Keep continuing.
I think other
Remove
countries.
the cap, remove the cap.
I think other country also best because many type of business is in other country. So
Only
what?
for the business, other countries is good.
Yes,
Okay.
lots of.
But in India there are also businessmen and jobs.
Yes.
Brother, you said that Diwali is only celebrated in India,
Yes.
according to you.
Close
But in Sri Lanka, Diwali is celebrated.
Then according to
Celebrated.
you, India culture is good. Therefore,
No,
other culture,
no,
other countries are following the Indian culture.
I
No.
want
You are getting the point.
Yes.
I want to say that because
Okay.
in Sri Lanka Ram was there.
Yes.
That's why they are
In Sri Lanka,
Ravan.
Ravan was there.
Ram also.
No,
You
in
don't
Ayodhya,
know.
Delhi, you
You
know.
don't know.
What?
Actually, hello, Akansha. India.
In Sri Lanka, there is
See, Diwali is a festival of Indian peoples, right? And you are telling that in Sri Lanka also Diwali is celebrated. Why? You just want to tell that India's culture is good.
In
Okay, so therefore, people
nearby
are-
Sri Lanka's ocean